Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving status and ownership. Get the MA now, settings, or dial *#06# and confirm the device is blacklisted. Once confirmed, assemble proof of purchase, serial, and any seller communication. These documents are what carriers require. Contact the original carrier listed in the MA report immediately and request a blacklist review. Explain why you are the rightful owner and upload your receipts. Move fast. Carriers process removal requests only with clear documentation. Now you open and manage the dispute with the carrier. Call the carrier's loss/theft or device support line, state you need a formal blacklist review, and provide the MA and proof you gathered. Upload scans of ID, receipt, and any police report if the device was wrongly flagged. Request a case number and an escalation contact. Make sure to record agent names and timestamps. Once done, follow up by email so there's a paper trail, and check status every 48-72 hours until the carrier confirms clearance. Finish by verifying the carrier actually cleared the block. Run another MA check and try activation on a SIM from the original carrier. Once cleared, put the iPhone into DFU mode and restore via Finder or iTunes to remove any carrier locks, then activate on a working account. If the carrier denies removal, escalate. Ask for supervisor review, file a complaint with the telecom regulator, and pursue seller reimbursement. Troubleshooting tip: if activation fails after removal, reboot, reinsert SIM, and retry the restore process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.